Yo, what's up everybody? Good morning. Welcome back to the Daily Grind. Welcome back to the show. Today we're checking out of Disneyland. Well, we're checking out of the hotel across the street from Disneyland. We're checking in today at the Marriott near Knott's Berry Farm. That's what we're doing today, and we're going home tomorrow. So right now I'm in the van, organizing things, putting the bags in, and then yeah, that's it. So we're gonna be back on the road. I think we're gonna go to Target. I think we need to get a case of water. I think we're out of water. And then so last night around 2:30 there was a, I don't want to say a disturbance, but there was somebody like trying to get in our door. It was, and I looked and there's nobody there. So it was going on for a good 20 minutes, and it only sounded like the door like latch, someone's trying to open it. It didn't sound like anything else that I recognize. Yeah, so that was really weird and kind of scary because I was half awake. I don't know what was going on, but good thing nothing bad happened, and we're getting out of here. So I'll see you guys in a bit. Alright guys, we made it through. We're in Knott's Berry Farm. Traffic wasn't that bad, it was down the street. We basically could have just stayed, hey buddy, we basically just stayed at where Disneyland is and just drove up here. But our hotel's down the street. We opted to drive, but parking, where the parking lot is about the same distance. Parking lot is about the same distance to walk, so we should have just walked. But it's pretty busy here. It's pretty packed. I don't know where everything is. It's like my second time being here, and I haven't been here in like 5-6 years, so everything's new. This dude doesn't want to get on any of the rides. I know, especially the kids one. But we'll warm up later. But I forgot that barbecue and stuff here. Oh man, I smelled it when I went to go get a locker. But it's really loud. I just noticed that it's really loud here. All the roller coasters are like really close together. It's just loud. You guys can hear that? I'm waiting for the family to went on the ride. I don't know what this ride is called, this one.
5:30. What do you think about this place?
It's alright. It's more for little kids though.
Yeah?
Yeah. And you're either a little kid or someone who loves loopy-loop and crazy stunts.
They do have a lot more roller coasters, it seems like. But
Yeah, but they all go upside down. Or they're really slow.
well, I'm beat. I think we're gonna call it a night. Or we're done at this place, so we're gonna head on out. What's up, bud? And that's it. So you guys, tomorrow we're gonna head on back. We're leaving, I think, by 9 o'clock, 10. And that should be it.